Okay, so we go to our Safari and we'll type YouTube sound library. I'm doing this because of if you tap it, I'll go to Safari, and then you're going to have list of free music. I'm using this because of copyright. So let's say we want this, and then prepare myself. Let's click on download. So we've done this, we save to file, we save to YouTube sound. Okay, so afterwards we go to CapCut. So we go to our CapCut. This is the video we want to use here. So here we go to audio, we go to sound, and we go to device. Select from device here. Go to where you saved it in your file, and mine is preparing myself. Open. So automatically you've added this music to CapCut app, and then you click on this. So I click on app, okay.